Good morning, my friends. It's Friday today, and I am so happy. See, whenever I had an actual job, I didn't really care for Fridays because I always worked Saturdays. But see, now that I do YouTube full time, like all week, see, as soon as it comes to Friday, I'm loving life. It's Friday, Friday. Who remembered that really annoying song? Yeah, I still sing it to myself every Friday. I wanted to do something very natural today. But I am looking at the products in front of me, and I think I have more products in front of me to achieve that natural look than my normal makeup look, so this shall be interesting. I'm just wanting to keep my skin quite moisturised, so I'm going to use the Tarte maracuja oil. You can apparently mix this in with your foundation, but I just actually like to use it on its own just as a base just before I apply foundation. I swear once I start rubbing shit into my face gets so red. Even though we're going natural today, I'm going to be slightly extra. So I'm just going to go in with another base. This one's full. Why is this one full? I'm just going to use this one instead of using the new one. Oh, do you want to know what it is? So this is the MEA Undress Your Skin Illuminating Liquid Glow, and this is in the shade Champagne. I absolutely love this product for... But I absolutely love this product just to apply under my foundation just as a base. It just gives your skin the most beautiful glow. Sometimes you can kind of find with illuminating primers or products that it can leave your skin too glowy to the point where you know that you have something illuminating on the skin, whereas this is very, very natural. It just is such a beautiful finish on the skin. So as you can see, it doesn't really give your skin like a really, really intense glow, but it just gives it that really nice, healthy sheen to the skin. So nice. Just undressing myself. I just took my bra off there because my straps kept on falling down, and that does my nut. And then I just feel really airy and flowy. But next up for foundation, I'm going to be using the Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream, and I'm also going to mix it with MAC Strobe Cream Peachlite. I just took 2 pumps of the Becca foundation and then just a couple of squirts of the MAC Strobe Cream, and I'm just mixing it in the back of a palette. Classy gal. I think this is going to be far too yellow for me. Why can I never buy a foundation that matches me? Like, seriously. It's honestly like a birth defect. Oh no. That looks awful. What the hell? No. I'm gonna have to use a different foundation. Okay, so I'm going to change to the Morphe foundation, and this is in the shade F1.100 or F1100, whatever way you want to say it. This foundation is very, very full coverage and it's very, very matte, so I'm actually going to mix this with a bit of the MAC Strobe Cream also. This is something that I like doing with my full coverage matte foundations. If I'm wanting to keep the full coverage of the foundation, but I'm wanting to tweak it a wee bit in terms of making it slightly more dewy, I will apply just a few wee dollops of the MAC Strobe Cream. If you apply too much of the MAC Strobe Cream, it will actually dilute the foundation and it will just look like this basically. So this can be a very tricky foundation to actually blend out, so I'm just going to do the bottom half of my face first. Sometimes I don't actually understand why I use this. I think it's because I don't like it. How Irish is that? I don't like the foundation, but I'm using it anyway. I think it's because like I bought it, so I'm going to use it anyway. Like, don't get me wrong, it's a nice foundation and it's very full coverage, it's very matte, it's everything I like in a foundation, but I don't know, there's just something about it. I just never see myself grabbing it. Then for concealer, I'm just going to use the Tarte Shape Tape. Oh, that smell. I have not used this concealer in so long. Before I go in and set everything, I'm just going to use a clean. I'm just going to use this cream blush by Maybelline. It's just one of their wee Dream Matte blushes. Oh! To set my face, I'm just going to use the Technic Super Fine Translucent Powder. Because I want my skin to be quite dewy today, I'm just going to set the areas where I know that I'll crease. So mainly around my forehead and between my brows, just around my smile lines, and of course my under eyes. So I recently got the nicest PR package from Technic. They had seen me talking about this powder, obviously. They had sent me like a bunch of goodies and they had stocked me up on this powder. I think they sent me about 4 of these. And it was so nice. It was so appreciated. It was so nice of them. So thank you so much, Technic. It's honestly my favourite wee powder. Just going to try and see what all the hype is around the Mimima Mitchell Be Perfect Cosmetics Sub-Zero palette. Kyle bought me this palette quite a wee while ago now and I actually haven't used it on myself yet. I did use it on him whenever I was doing his makeup. Oh, they look really powdery. Swatches don't necessarily define how a product actually lies on the skin though. Sometimes swatches can be quite deceiving, especially with powder products. Yeah, that's actually nicer than I thought it was going to be. See? It's just how you swatch it. So the shade Made It that I'm using at the minute is like an ice white gold. Because we already have a bit of a base laid down for our blush, I'm going to use something quite natural. So I'm just going to use MAC Peaches, and this is just a sheer tone blush. Okay, so next up, the love of my life, I'm going to bronze. This is the Maybelline Face Studio in the shade Blonde. So it just has this wee matte bronzer and then just like a shimmer brick. It's kind of like a blush. Really nice. Remember whenever I used to work in the hair salon, I used to use this bronzer every single day. Like literally every single day. I loved it so much. I used to buy these in bulk. Oh, we just hit pan. Video idea. Video idea. Oh my god. So last night I was actually on my YouTube account, if that makes sense. So I was going in through like my videos and stuff and like basically my YouTube account where I can actually see all my analysis things and stuff. I have quite a lot of like comments that are in my review section. So basically these are all my hate comments, by the way. I wonder what people like a video where I react. Oh, my mouth looks like a butthole. Would you like a video of me reacting to my hate comments? One of the comments that I did see last night was somebody saying, excuse my language here, I'm just going to quote what they had said. Can you please fucking speak English? What is your fucking accent? And I do not know how many spelling mistakes there was. My camera just died on me. But yeah, like it made me laugh, but at the same time it was like, you racist son of a bitch. It tickled me so much because it was like, oh, bless your cotton socks, you piece of shit. Like this person clearly needs beat with a dictionary, an English one at that. I have this big massive Becca palette and this is the Eyelights palette, very thoughtful name. And then I just have this wee Tarte palette. So this is the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use this shade in my transition first. And I'm thinking of just doing something quite soft on the eyes, like a shimmer or something. Last year, I think it was around this time last year, I can't remember when it was, but last year anyway, I did colour my hair bubblegum blue and I loved it. I absolutely loved it. So I just took this notion to colour my hair blue and I filmed it for a YouTube video. I will link it down below if you want to see it. I'll also put like a wee picture here of what it looked like. I absolutely loved it. I loved it. So I'm actually wanting to do that again this year. But another colour, I was thinking of lavender, like a pastel purple or a bubblegum pink. There's just so many colours. I cannot take my eyes off my eyebrows. See, the past, I would say, fortnight, my eyebrows have been looking so dodgy. Like, here especially, like, what the hell? And here, this is my natural eyebrows falling down, like seriously, look at the state of that. Look at the state of me. Remember back a couple of months ago where I took this notion to grow out my eyebrows? Let's all laugh together. And you know what? I was really determined and I was so happy and I was doing so well, but I got so much shit for it. Oh my god, like people were just coming for me so hard. It was absolutely crazy. I think I might just actually sit with the Tarte palette just to kind of make it easier. Just use this brush here. I'm just going to apply that just all over the lid. I'm just going to bring that right up to the crease as well. Take that escape shade and I'm just going to apply that just right into that inner corner. But I'm actually just going to do my lips first before I finish off the eyes. So I'm going to use the I'm going to use the Jared Cosmetics lip pencil, and this is in the shade Peachy King. Oh mate, I have a boogie on my ring. Oh, two. Oh, bonus. Ding, ding, ding. I'm going to use the Super Matte Liquid Lipstick by Nude. So I'm going to use the MAC Liquid Liner in Radiant Black. Okay, so then for lashes, I'm going to be using the Clio Beauty lashes in the style BAMBI. I don't know why I just showed you an empty box, but that's just what they look like there. So now that that's lashes on, I think I'm just going to actually apply some glitter to the eyes. So this is the Kiko glitter eyeliner. So I'm actually just going to apply this in the inner corner and then along the lower lash line. To finish this look off, finally, I'm just going to spritz my face with the Fix Plus, the peachlite one. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Happy Friday to you all. Yay! Hope you all have a shit weekend. I'm only joking. I hope you all have a fantastic weekend. As usual, as always, all the products will be listed down below in the description box, as will my Snapchat, Instagram and Twitter, so don't forget to follow me on those. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Peace.